everybody, and welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. I know we're big SHIB lovers, and it has had a rough goddamn start to the year. It's basically dropped about staggering 25 to 35%, depending on where you start, in the past 30 days. And while meme coins like Pepe and Floki are right now stealing the spotlight, many of us are wondering, can SHIB stage a comeback before the month's end? Now, before we dive in, make sure you smash that like button, click that subscribe so you don't miss a notification and you're always up to date on the crypto news. Now, here's what we know. SHIB has had a rough few weeks. Very, very rough. And while Pepe and Floki are seeing some explosive gains, SHIB lost about a quarter of its value in the last 30 days. And the big question is, can it bounce back? Now, one major issue holding SHIB down right now is we have a lot of weak buying pressure. So whale transactions have dropped by about 61%, signaling a lack of confidence from large investors. Now, even with a whopping 567% surge in the burn rate, the price barely actually reacted, and it's not a great sign. Earlier this month too, SHIB dropped below the 0.00015, but it did manage to lightly start rebounding. Now, if it does hold above this level, we could easily see a rally all the way up to the 0.00018. But if it does break down, you guys, I'm a little worried, and we might be looking at the 1-2 number. Now, at one point, SHIB Inu's profitability had fell below 40%, leaving a majority of its holders in a negative position. And that asset is still under a lot of tremendous downward pressure. And its price action right now does remain negative. Investors seem to be really uncertain as SHIB continues to struggle in regaining important resistance levels. And as of press time, SHIB has shown only about a 1.56% gain, right? And right now we're currently trading at 0.0001430. However, it does remain about 6% down for the week and about 25% down for the month, with a significant of 32% for the year to date. Let's pull up the chart here and actually look at this bad boy, and we can see, yeah, you guys, if you saw the last video, okay, actually you want to see a position we played on SHIB. We did two things. First off, we circled this area a couple days ago when we saw this downtrend starting, and that's where we saw, once it crashed into here, we took a short, right? And we also took a short because it hit the golden ratio. So then from there, we were able to ride the wave. I think I only took a 5%er, so I actually jumped out here and I let it keep riding. Then what we were looking for was a bounce, and it did. The minute it bounced up to here, came back down, it's been another easy ride, right? And we're able to just see it at a 3.12% gain in under 8 hours, which is an easy day trading profit. Now, a reason this area is so important to us is because this was important back then. The number did hit here, and I do foresee us coming back down here a bit to hit, and then we will start to rebound. It just depends on how the market sentiment continues. And remember, you can easily use an exchange like BTC to short the market, long the market, and with SHIB, you guys, we can 50x SHIB, right? I love that. Yesterday, I was actually playing with Pi, and I was 50xing Pi, and I love that. Okay, we also see the moving average. We've got the 50-day and the 200-day EMA, and they continue to trap the price, indicating right now that we're still going to see sellers in control. And a sequence of lower highs and lower lows following SHIB's inability to sustain itself in the late 2024 bullish momentum, it's going to keep signaling the continuation of the downtrend. Now, one worrying indicator is the dropping trading volume, which points us to understanding that investors and retail are losing interest. Additionally, you guys, SHIB is getting close to oversold conditions, as it says it on the RSI, just hovering at around 33, but that is not an obvious reversal signal yet. Some bullish scenarios that I'm hoping for, right? If we get a relief rally and we get past the 16 mark, it may be possible for SHIB to maintain that and go above the 17 to 18 number. And a catalyst that could come out would easily spike and bring in whale accumulation. Now, a bearish scenario is us getting back down to the 12 number. I think after that, we will get down to the 10 and we will probably lose a 0. But there is a potential bright spot, right? Shiba recently announced that it has a partnership with the UAE Ministry of Energy and Infrastructure. And I actually made a whole video on that if you want the details on that. But this could actually drive some real world adoption through its blockchain based operating system, ShibOS. Now, this announcement did give SHIB a temporary boost. It wasn't enough to sustain a rally. It's still enough to get the ball started. And right now we do know that SHIB's in a slump, but a major comeback could be on the horizon. I do want to hear your comments below. Let me know if you think we are going to get a bounce. And if you trade meme coins, please use the link now before we run out of space, but get your free consultation with one of our specialists at BC Management. We're going to take a look at your wallets. We don't touch them. We can't access them. We're just looking on the blockchain, exporting everything for you and getting you a report so you can file it with your accountant. So please don't hold back to get your taxes done this year. You're going to screw yourself, especially with regulation coming out with crypto. Do not hesitate to ask us any questions. We just want to make it easy on you because we love trading, we love crypto, and we love meme coins. Okay. Finally, summary of the video. We know that SHIB is at a critical turning point. And after a rough goddamn month, its future is going to depend on buying pressure starting to increase, some renewed whale activity, and then some key developments like its UAE partnership. Now, if SHIB can regain its momentum, we could see a strong rebound. But for now, all eyes are on whether whales and investors are going to return to the scene. And before you go, don't forget to click like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments what other projects I should start researching. And until next time, you guys, please stay informed, stay prepared, and please stay ahead. Peace out, everyone. Thanks, you guys.